Welcome to Counseling 130, Transfer Success Educational Planning. I'm a counselor at College of Marin and also your instructor. My name is Kristen Perrone. You can call me Kristen. This class is short, it's 6 weeks, and in those 6 weeks, our goal is to have you complete all 4 of your personal insight question responses, otherwise known as PIQs, for your UC application. That is due November 30th. So most of you are applying for the fall 22 start at the UC, and this is the most appropriate time for you to take this class because you will have your application materials all ready to go for that application. In the 6 weeks, we are going to meet every other week for a mandatory live Zoom class. So those are going to start this week. On this Thursday is our first session. And then every other week that we don't have class, I will be available for live Zoom office hours. So this will give you an opportunity to check in with me if you have questions. And then in addition to office hours, I am also available via one-on-one appointments through the counseling department. So in order to make those appointments, you can do that through your portal. The best method of communication is through your Canvas inbox. So if you have questions really about anything related to the class or the college or other classes as well, feel free to reach out through the Canvas inbox. I'm really excited to meet you all this semester. I know it's been a challenging time, and I do want to congratulate you on getting to this point in your academic career where you're going to be applying. So I know it's taken a lot of hard work, and you've overcome a lot of challenges during this time. So my hat's off to you. This is one of my all-time favorite classes to teach because I really do enjoy reading your PIQs. They're personal, right, as they say in the name, and I'm always honored to be a part of that journey and to be able to read your PIQ responses and get a little window into who you are. So I look forward to that. And if you have any questions before I see you all on Thursday, do not hesitate to reach out, and let's get started.